Welcome.
There have been many impeccable performances in the history of Indian cinema. These performances stood up in the movies and had attracted tons of audiences to cinema houses. So we are here to grab a view on 5 best performances which attracted the world cinema towards them. Surya Sivakumar in Varnamayiram. Surya has been a versatile actor since the beginning of his acting career. Acted in films like Kaka Kaka, Gajini, Singham Trilogy and 24. Most of his films have been remade into other languages including Hindi. But the movie which stands on in his whole career is the 2008 Gautam Menon directed Tamil film Varnamayiram, which stars Surya Sivakumar and Samira Reddy in the lead. Surya has appeared in almost 10 different looks for the flick. He has also awarded Filmfare Best Actor Award for his contribution towards the craft for the flick. The ease with which he performs the characters of both son and father in the movie has gained a cult status over the years. His physical transformation in the movie has inspired the youth to set their fitness goals at the time of its release. You really have to watch the song Avayenna from the movie to experience a glimpse of his acting talent. His eyes speak much more than his words. The charismatic acting of Surya Sivakumar in the movie gives the audience a life-changing experience. The maturity with which Surya portrays the older version of his character is quite natural. From a teenage boy to an obsessive lover, from a love failure drug addict to a brave man who saved his son, from a successful military man to a responsible father, Surya lived up in every character he portrayed. It has been 11 years since the release of the movie and it gained a cult status over the years for its universal plot, which is relevant in these times too. If you have already watched the film, do share your views in the comment section. If you haven't, the Tamil version of the movie is available on the Voot app and the Telugu version of the movie is available on YouTube. Just go watch it. Ranbir Kapoor in Rockstar. Ranbir had been one of those actors who had been selective over their scripts. He has done many critically acclaimed movies such as Wake Up Sid, Jagga Jasoos, Rocket Singh, The Best Salesman of the Year and Tamasha, which did not get their due credit at the big screens and remained as underrated movies. And one of such movies is 2011 Imtiaz Ali directed Rockstar. There has been cliché over the decades that the movies where the protagonist portrays the celebrated pop singer will not be liked by the audience. But the Rockstar breaks all the boundaries. Ranbir Kapoor in this movie portrays the role of Janathan Jakar aka JJ, who has been the most celebrated singer over the countries and experiences a love failure which affects his mental health. The movie showcases the journey of JJ from the starting of the career to his end. The way Ranbir takes a pause before delivering a dialogue tells his craft. From a confused boy who loves a girl to a mentally disturbed singer, Ranbir perfectly fits himself into the role. The way Ranbir immerses himself into the movie proves his capability over acting. Ranbir perfectly enacts the song sequences, where he has also won both Best Actor and Best Actor Critics Awards at the prestigious Filmfare Awards for his portrayal of Janathan Jakar in the movie Rockstar. Ranbir Kapoor perfectly enacts the role of ambitious lover where he has to lose his loved ones for the sake of love. His acting has the essence of pain in losing the love. It's obvious that Ranbir perfectly suits the role and had the capability of do any kind of role in the future films. The movie Rockstar is available on Jio Cinema. For those who have missed it in the theaters, go ping it sometime. Keerthi Suresh in Mahanati. Mahanati is a 2018 Nagashwin directed Telugu biographical film which is based on the life of most celebrated South Indian actress Savitri Garu. The role of Savitri Garu is helmed by Keerthi Suresh, who gained fame through a Telugu movie Nenu Sailja starring Ram Potineni in the lead. Keerthi Suresh portrays the role with full of attention and in detailed manner. The whole movie revolves around the life of Savitri Garu, her achievements and the hurdles through her life. The movie sheds the light over the most celebrated actress. Keerthi mesmerizes the audience through her acting capability. In the title song of Mahanati, we feel goosebumps over us. చరిత పుటలోన వెలుగు పొదిగావు పెను శిఖరాగ్రమై గగనాలపై నిలిపావుగా అడుగు
నీ ముఖ చిత్రమై నలు చెరగుల తల ఎత్తినది మన తెలుగు
The rise of a movie career, the downfall of a movie career, her addiction to alcohol, her dedication towards movies, her kindness and generosity towards people, her innocence towards love, her rage towards betrayal are shown and portrayed with utmost ease and professional accountability by Kirti Suresh. She was also awarded both National and Filmfare Best Actress awards for her portrayal of Savitri Garu on big screen. Mahanati is obviously a honest and transparent biographical film ever made on Indian screen. It is available on Amazon Prime Video for those who haven't seen it. Dhanush in Asuran. Dhanush has been termed as one of the most celebrated and acclaimed actors all over the India. He has been one of those few actors who tried their luck in many genres. There have been many movies in his film career that were celebrated by the local audience as well as the overseas. But the movie which brought him fame all over the India was the 2019 Vetrimaran directed Tamil film Asuran. Asuran stars Dhanush and Manju Varya in the lead. Dhanush in the movie plays both the younger version and the older version of his character Sivasami. The story revolves around Sivasami and his vengeance towards his enemies. Dhanush portrays a noteworthy performance as a helpless father who crosses limitless boundaries to save his son's life, and also portrays a rebellious middle-aged man who takes brutal vengeance over the people of higher caste, brutally burned his family to death just for wearing chappals before them. The film sheds the reality over the honor killings done in the name of caste all over the India. Dhanush is just stunning in the movie and he excels in his acting. He performs the character Sivasami in the most sensible way anyone can. His physical appearance as old Sivasami makes us realize his helplessness. He is so charming in the younger version of Sivasami. He looks brutally fabulous in the fight sequences, which are perfectly choreographed and executed. Asuran is one of those movies which raised the standards of Indian cinema. Dhanush has done an outrageous performance and will be remembered for his enactment of Sivasami. Asuran is available on Amazon Prime Video. Fahad Fazil in trance. Any actor in Indian cinema has made bold and experimental moves all over his career, then it has to be Fahad Fazil. He is an Indian actor who works predominantly in Malayalam cinema. It is a privilege to say that every movie he has starred in is critically acclaimed. He has proved that appearance doesn't matter if you have something interesting to present. Fahad is undoubtedly one of the most versatile actors Indian cinema has ever produced. Most of his movies have been commercially successful too, such as Bangalore Days, Anayam Rusulum, Maheshintha Pratikaram, Nanjan Prakashan and Super Deluxe. But the movie which was hailed by critics for its perfect story, exceptionally great casting and intriguing plot was the 2020 Anwar Rashid directed psychological drama film Trance, starring Fahad Fazil, Dileesh Pothan, Gautam Menon in the lead roles. Fahad in Trance totally steals the limelight by portraying a character that is hysteric and disturbing at the same time. He has done absolutely brilliant performance through the flick. He acts totally through his eyes all over the movie. The scenes where he enacts the psychic person exhibits his capability of method acting. Fahad completely dominates all the supporting cast through his acting. The voice of Fahad Fazil is just magical. The scenes where he portrays the pain and anger of losing his loved ones is just heart-wrenching. From a struggling motivational speaker to a celebrated pastor, Fahad embraces his acting skills in each and every frame he is present. The portrayal of mentally unstable person who is in a state of trance is presented perfectly by Fahad Fazil in the movie. He is completely a bold attempt ever done on Indian cinema and gives a worth watching experience. It is also available on Amazon Prime Video. Go watch it for a intriguing film experience. So here's the wrap on the video. Please do subscribe and pull the bell icon to get the notification for our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and share the video, and also do share your views on the video in the comment section below. We will make sure that each and every comment is answered.